In this episode of Gear Matters, we're talking about 5 things you should consider when choosing a motorcycle tank bag. Hi, I'm Nikhil from ViaTerra. The best place to start when choosing a motorcycle tank bag is by first determining your primary use. What do you expect to use the tank bag for most of the time? Are you looking for something to carry your everyday essentials, or is it specifically for touring you? Will a compact tank bag serve your purpose, or do you know that you need plenty of storage? Answering these questions will help you narrow down the options amongst tank bags that are well matched to your use case. Now you can begin to look at compatibility. If your motorcycle has a metal fuel tank, you can choose between a magnetic or a strap-based tank bag. But if your motorcycle uses a plastic tank or cladding over the tank, then a strap-based tank bags are the only way to go. Another relevant factor to consider is the type of riding that you expect to do. Magnetic tank bags are well suited for relaxed touring and tarmac riding. However, if you expect to be doing more aggressive riding, for example, off-roading or trail riding, a strap-based tank bag is likely to be more secure. And then comes the aspect of functionality. Do you value being able to organize your gear? If yes, a tank bag with internal and external organizational pockets is probably going to serve you better. Do you expect to ride in the rain often? You will want to ensure that the tank bag you choose is waterproof or comes with the necessary waterproof liner. If you own or ride different motorcycles often, it is also worth considering the aspect of universality. Will the tank bag that you have chosen work across multiple motorcycles? Typically, strap-based tank bags are more versatile in this respect, allowing easier use between different motorcycles. Some tank bags like the ViaTerra Oxys and Fly can also be used as tail bag using the same mounting strap system. However, if you are someone who appreciates purpose-made gear, owning more than one tank bag is probably better. And as a bonus tip before we go, when choosing your motorcycle tank bag, be considerate of the space available on the tank. Smaller is usually better as far as motorcycle tank bags go. But if you've decided to opt for something larger, be mindful that it does not block important parts of vision or obstruct handlebar movement in any way. At ViaTerra, we believe gear should be built to last. All ViaTerra tank bags are made using premium material and components that have been tried and tested for durability. And we have a unique repairs program that can help address any common types of damage that further extend the life of your tank bag. Components like waterproof liners and detachable straps that are particularly prone to wear and tear are also available for purchase separately. You can find out more about ViaTerra's range of tank bags using the link in the description below. We are confident that you will find one that's well suited to you. Thanks for watching the video, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions for us.